Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Okonomiyaki food tsukune. Okonomiyaki is Japanese savory pancake and tsukune is Japanese meatballs. So this is like meatballs that taste exactly like okonomiyaki. I'm adding a lot of cabbage to it, so it's much healthier and lighter than regular meatballs. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this okonomiyaki food tsukune, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. A quarter of cabbage, 500 grams of ground pork, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of potato starch or cornstarch, some salt and pepper, Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise, okonomiyaki sauce, aonori seaweed flakes, and katsuobushi fish flakes. These two are something that might be a bit difficult to find. Try Amazon if you're not allergic to it. They have everything. Let's mince the cabbage. Cut the core off and just mince it. So slice it first. Then this way. Try to mince it finely. This way, it can blend well with the pork. Let's put it in a large bowl. Potato starch, 1 egg, about a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and ground pork. And knead this well, like you're squeezing it. Everything is well combined. I'm making 8 tsukune meatballs, so let's roughly divide this into 8. Flatten it. Then into 8. Take one section and make it into oval shape. Flatten it a little bit. Then into the frying pan. The heat is off. Then turn the heat on and cook over medium heat until the bottom side is nicely browned. Once it's nicely browned, turn them over and cook the other side. With the lid on this time to cook them through. Cooked for about 7 minutes. When I gently press them, no bloody juice coming out. That means it's cooked. Turn the heat off. Serve on the plate. Okonomiyaki sauce. Mayonnaise. This is pretty already, but to make it prettier, let's do this. Then, katsuobushi fish flakes. And aonori seaweed flakes. And okonomiyaki tsukune is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It tastes exactly like okonomiyaki, but less doughy, of course. And as I said, it's much lighter and healthier than regular meatballs thanks to the cabbage. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Okonomiyaki tsukune is a main, so it goes here, plain rice here, and spinach miso soup or any soup you like here. The main contains a lot of cabbage, so let's pass one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!